Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be sharing 4 of my favorite chia pudding recipes for a quick breakfast. The first one is this delicious strawberry vanilla chia pudding. You will need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, strawberries, half a cup of milk, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll be using this food processor to blend. Remove the leaf caps from the strawberries and add them to the food processor. Blend until you get a smooth jam. Add the strawberry jam to the bowl. Add the chia seeds and vanilla, then mix that together. Add the milk and mix well until they are all well incorporated. Cover the bowl with cling film and pop it in the fridge for a few hours. The next morning, the chia seeds have absorbed the liquid and they have thickened up. Transfer the mixture to a glass. Cut a strawberry into small sizes and top the chia pudding nicely. That's perfect. The chia pudding is very refreshing and filling. Up next is this refreshing watermelon and mint chia pudding. You will need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, watermelon pieces, mint leaves, and milk. Add the watermelon and mint leaves to the food processor. Blend that together until they are smooth. Transfer the mixture to the bowl. Add the chia seeds and mix that together. Top up with a little milk and mix that until everything is well incorporated. Cover with cling film and pop that in the fridge for a few hours. The next morning, the mixture has perfectly thickened. Transfer the mixture to a glass. Top the pudding with some watermelon and mint leaves. That's perfect and ready to eat. It's so yummy and filling. The third one is this spicy apple and cinnamon chia pudding. You will need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 apple, and 1 cup of milk. Cut the apple into thin cubes and set it aside. To a bowl, add the chia seeds and milk, then mix that together. Add the cinnamon powder and apple slices and mix that until they are all well incorporated. Cover with cling film and pop it in the fridge for a few hours. The next morning, the pudding looks thick enough. Transfer the pudding to a glass. Top that up with some apple cubes and a cinnamon stick. That looks and smells so good. It's super delicious and filling. Finally, we have this CITRUSY orange and granola chia pudding. You will need 2 tablespoons of chia pudding, 2 oranges, some homemade granola, and 1 cup of milk. Peel the orange and add it to the food processor. I like my orange with pulp. If you don't like the pulp, just juice the orange and use the orange juice instead. Blend the oranges until they are smooth. Transfer that to a bowl. Add the chia seeds and mix that together. Add the milk and mix until they are well incorporated. I'll add the granola in the morning. Cover the pudding with cling film and pop it in the fridge for a few hours. The next morning, the pudding is thick and looks good to go. Transfer the orange pudding to a glass. Top that up with the homemade granola. The recipe for this crunchy granola is linked on the card above. Watch it after this. Add a slice of orange and it's ready to eat. It's very yummy and perfect for any morning. Try out these easy and quick recipes and let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you on the next one. Bye.